The pyramid. So friends, the pyramid, always we try to understand. Every day we try to discuss. The pyramid is a wonderful structure, provide you the highest amount of cosmic energy and your thought power. Especially we discuss thought power today. If you want your thought power to be tremendous, if you want your thought power, your intention, power of intention must be so strong, must be so stable. You need cosmic energy at any cost. You have to have more and more cosmic energy available all the time in your house. In order to ensure the more and more availability of cosmic energy in your own house, you need to erect the here and there, everywhere, pyramids, all the type of pyramids. Right will be right from the pyramid, the table pyramid, ice pyramids, cap pyramids, 2 by 2 pyramid, and whatnot, everything. Why don't you take these pyramids instead of buying so many other things which are unnecessary lying in the house? Just go on purchase the pyramids. Keep in your house. Enjoy the energy. Enjoy the pyramid energy. And many examples, many masters will give you wonderful their experiences. Yesterday, one master was telling, she keep keeping the one pyramid on the top of the water tank. Basically, so whenever that water was very hard water, she was explaining in the today's morning Kannada session. I think so Kannada or English session. I didn't remember exactly, but she was keeping that pyramid on the top of the so-called the water bottle. The water is very hard water. So after keeping this pyramid for 5 or 6 hours, after that if they drink the water taste is changed and the water hardness is gone. So such kind of wonderful miracles you can see with the cosmic energy, my dear friends. So that is why we always need to ensure that this pyramid has to be established all the time, everywhere, wherever possible. We need to establish this pyramid, my dear friends. So likewise, friends, there are two benefits we try to understand today. For the students, for the adults, for the working professionals, for all the people, their intelligence will be sharpened if they do meditation under the pyramid. Friends, so if you use the pyramid for meditation, doing the meditation under the pyramid, underneath of the pyramid, it is going to improve, it is going to sharpen your intelligence. So that is where the intelligence is sharpened means then you will have a highest performance within you. Your thought power, your all the things, whatever you do on this earth planet, which will be miraculous, since you have highest amount of intelligence within you. And the another benefit is balance all the hormone levels. Friends, as I told you, the main reason for the woman to suffer for the long periods or irregular periods, and the small female children is also suffering. They're also suffering with a great kind of unnecessary and irregular periods and all these things happening, and at the earlier age and the lower age, because of only thing is hormonal imbalance. The hormonal imbalance is happening in the physical body of a woman or a female child, basically because of their whole non-holistic lifestyle, non-holistic food style. It's only that there are two reasons, and highest amount of stress which they are carrying in the mind. The highest amount of stress they are carrying in the mind. That is also another reason for their all this hormonal imbalance. So if you want to come out of all this hormonal imbalance, you want to correct it back and you want to balance it out, then what you need to do is you need to do meditation, and the more and more meditation under the pyramid. When you do meditation under the pyramid, underneath the pyramid, more and more time, then definitely this hormonal imbalance will be corrected, and it will bring back the situation that all the other problems will be corrected. Be it the irregular periods or the kind of any other side effects which are happening in you. So all this will be corrected because of the hormonal imbalance, whatever happened, which all will be corrected. You will come to the normal health condition, my dear friends. So that is why these are highest benefits of, these are the two benefits of pyramids which we try to understand today. Now, friends, what are the home remedies which are for mental health we try to understand today. So there is one thing is, so Mother Jiva, that means who fulfills the desires of man. All the desires of the man will be fulfilled by our Kamadhenu. Kamadhenu means our Desi cow. So we have so many things. The Desi cow, from Desi cow, whatever it is, whether it is giving milking or not milking animal, whether it is milking or not milking, just it's gomutra and second, that is especially cow dung, are very, very powerful, my dear friends. Cow dung is completely antibacterial, antivirus. And the cow gomutra having such a wonderful characteristic that it is going to cure, now even including cancer and many other diseases. It's going to cure. Such a wonderful things are available with the with the Kamadhenu. Kamadhenu has got 33,000 crores of the goddess are there within the Gomata, within the Kamadhenu, we used to say, our Sanatana Dharma used to say. It means they equate to that kind of value, this animal especially, because from this animal there is no wastage, my dear friends. And also the unique feature of this animal is it takes oxygen, it breathe in oxygen, but also breathe out the oxygen. It is not going to breathe out carbon dioxide. So that is why if it is around your house, within your house, you are going to get abundant amount of oxygen. And also with the help of the Kamadhenu output, you may be able to do all the so-called Agnihotra. Agnihotra is going to also generate 1 ton of oxygen if you do one time Agnihotra. Such a wonderful things we can achieve with the help of only one Gomata or Kamadhenu in every house, my dear friends. Instead of growing a pet dog or all these things, one pet animal, one cow, desi cow, must be available with you. Nowadays, there are the lowest height of this Kamadhenu or Gomata is available, which you can always miniature cows. They are called miniature cows. You can grow them, you can pet them within your house like a dog. It can roam in the house, it can stay, it can sit and it can do everything. So it can grow in the house itself, within the flat or an apartment or wherever. So that's also available, my friends. So you can definitely use it, which are available somewhere in Andhra. I heard there's a place where they'll supply all these things. Right. So another thing, the greatest time for success in human life is present. What is the greatest time which for human being is available is present time. Be in the present. There's no need to go to the past, no need to go to the future. Going to the future, what happens? You get fear. Going to the past, you will get dukkha. Don't do that. Just be in the present, do all the things, whatever you wanted, achieve everything based on the present moment. My dear friends, darker than the pitch, that is darker than the pitch dark for the man is ignorance. If you are ignorant person, you won't be able to achieve anything. Whatever you do, it goes for a toss. That means whatever you are going to do, it becomes wrong if you have no sufficient knowledge of the particular task. That's called ignorance. That's why ignorance is always either it will be a materialistic ignorance or spiritual ignorance. Both are not correct. So both are to be avoided. Both have to be come out. And the only way, the final one, the only way to be rich forever is persistence. My dear friends, who is the richest person? Who is having the persistence? Who is having the patience? So whoever is having patience will bring everything towards you. That's why have the patience. Do not lose the patience at any point of time. So thank you, friends. Thank you, my dear friends. So you listened so carefully, so patiently all this time, all the topics. So Mahavatar Foundation expresses sincere thanks to all the masters who participated in this session. So